Every team that comes to the final is a tough team. They are champions in their own regions, and therefore we can't take anything for granted. The match was tough, as you have seen, but the boys played per the instructions that they were given.
They are uprising stars, Form 1 and Form 2. This is the team that is here, meaning that when I'm giving that opportunity, they are going to shine even more. And when we proceed to East Africa, I'm telling you we are going to shine.
Matarajio ya watu wengi ilikuwa ni kwamba kutakuwa na mechi ngumu sana mbele yetu, lakini kwa kukubali kwa wachezaji na pia kushirikiana vizuri wakiwa uwanjani ndio kumetupa huo ushindi.